Hello everyone. If you're on Instagram and you're listening to me, I am UPL Teaching and Training Academy. If this is your first time of seeing me live, I would like to say a very big welcome to you. If you're on TikTok, I would like to say the same to you. On YouTube, whatever platform you're going to see this video or you're watching live, I would like to say welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, I want us to look at a training that a lot of people are not even aware. Now, why do I say that? As a content creator, if you're a content creator, whether you're a new content creator or you're an old content creator, I want you to pay attention to this training. Number one, in every environment or platforms online, we have what is called niche. You can call it niche. You can call it niche. You can call it niche. All is correct. We have what is called niche in every platform. We have it on YouTube. We have it on TikTok. We have it on Facebook. We have it everywhere you have a platform, but a lot of people don't know about that. That's why you see people go to some platforms. When they get there, because they are not aware that these platforms have different niches that make people so much money, that people are paid better with it, and also that make people succeed fast on that platform. So when they go there, what do? They just play around. They follow the crowd. They do what everybody is doing without knowing that some people on that platform knows what they are doing. So due to the series we have been running, that today we did month 8, I would want to bring this training so that it will also help us. So whatever platform you have decided to use to succeed online, I want you to find out what is the niche, the very high paying niche on that platform, and pick the best and start using it to succeed online for yourself. Okay, so today we'll be looking at TikTok. Maybe next time I'm going to bring other platforms. Now, on TikTok, I'll be giving us the 10 best niches that you can use and succeed so much on TikTok. I was speaking to someone today and the person told me, "Ma'am, I never knew TikTok has high-paying niches." I said, "Oh yes, every platform have it." Now, the first one we're going to be looking at is beauty and makeup. Now, if you're someone that you're into beauty and makeup, then get on board on TikTok. If you've been coming live on TikTok and all you do is to come and just gist with people, is to come and just play around without doing anything productive, this is your time to change that story for yourself. If you're someone that you have a salon and in your salon they are into beauty, that's makeup and selling of beauty items, then this is your opportunity to change that story for yourself. Stop coming online as the normal way you come online. Stop looking for people's platform you will just go and sit down and waste your time. Stop coming online to just use words like, "Oh, I just want to play a game." No, start being productive. And how do you become productive? Number one, if you're into beauty and makeup, start coming live to showcase what you do in your salon. If you don't have a salon, even in your house, start making up yourself. Start showing off your products on makeup items. If you watch, some people know this. That's why you see them, they do makeup. They show you in their studio, they show you in their houses, they show you makeup online. If you have noticed that, please put one on the comments. If you're on TikTok and you have noticed that some people do makeup or beauty items, they sell beauty items, kindly put one on the comment. Then if you're somebody that this is what you do and you're not taking it seriously, then this is the time, 2024, this is March, for you to change that story for yourself. Okay? Number 2, the next one we'll be looking at is comedy and entertainment. Comedy and entertainment. If you're someone that you are good with comedy, if you're someone that you are good with entertaining people, you're good with creating funny skits, you're good with doing comedic content, then this is for you. You see this? If you can do it very well, it's a high paying niche that will make you so much money, and it also makes you very popular and people engage with it. So if you're someone that you're into this, stop playing around and start being focused. Okay? Number 3, fitness and health. If you're someone that you're into fitness, you're into health, then this is the opportunity for you to change that story for yourself. If you have your own studio, come live, come and do your fitness. Come and talk about your health things, products, your health, whatever you do online with health. This is your time, okay? Start sharing your workout routines. Start sharing your fitness tips, okay? And start sharing your transformation journey on the way you started. Maybe you were big and then you became slim. Maybe very big and then they became slim, okay? Or students that are slim that just want to keep fit. Start showing the stories and helping people to change that story. All right? Number 4, food and cooking. So if you're someone that you're good with food and you're good with cooking, then this niche is for you. And also it is an amazing niche on TikTok, okay? Start showing your recipe. Start cooking hacks. Start showing people how to cook in simple ways, okay? And start doing food review. Do food review by yourself. Bring in people to also do food review with you. And I tell you the truth, if you start doing all this, you will notice that a lot of things will change for you on TikTok. All right? And what I will advise anybody going into this, make sure you do one thing. Make that channel specifically for that, so that let people know and they will associate with it. Okay? Now, the next one is fashion and style. So if you're into fashion and you're into style, begin to show and showcase your outfit. Okay? You can also showcase your outfit ideas. Okay, your fashion, your styling tips. With this, you start bringing in people into your platform without even you knowing that you're doing something that has a high niche, okay, that you can be paid, and it is very, very good. All right? So if you're somebody that you have a fashion home, a fashion store, then this is for you. Stop playing around on TikTok and start being serious. Become a business person on TikTok. Very, very key. All right. Number 6, DIY and craft. What is DIY? Do it yourself. Okay. Do it yourself is a very, very amazing thing you can do. Now you can teach people how to do crafting. All right, you can teach people how to do things themselves. You can create projects that can help people. Okay, maybe someone wants to learn how to make hair, you can teach them. Someone wants to learn how to do this, you can teach them. So DIY, which is do it yourself, is an amazing niche, even in on YouTube, Facebook, and a lot of platforms. Is something that really has a high niche, and helps a lot of people to learn something new. Okay? Number seven is travel. I bet a lot of people listening to me today, you never knew that TikTok has all this as a high-paying niche or as a niche on TikTok. I bet a lot of people did not know. If you know, you know, put number one. If you don't know, put number two, so that I can see the people learning today. Okay? So travel, sharing travel experiences is also a great niche on TikTok. All right, and a lot of platforms as well, even on YouTube, even on Facebook, is an amazing niche that will always be very productive. Okay, so sharing your tips, all right, your destination recommendation, like helping people to know, okay, if someone tells you I'll be traveling, or I would like to travel to this state or that state in Nigeria, or this state or that state in the US, in London, in whatever, you can start telling people, oh, you can go this way, please don't go this way. Oh, you can even begin to show them guide on such. And I tell you the truth, if you're someone that you know how to monetize your knowledge very well, you can also have a guide ebook, and people will buy from you, and you will make so much. So if you have not been following my series on how to be a content creator, please, if you're on TikTok, click on my bio, go to my YouTube, and go and watch from January till August that we did today, and join us on Friday by 12 p.m. for the next month. Okay, and I tell you the truth, it will change your online world forever. If you're on Instagram, make sure after the live, check above or beneath, you're going to see the YouTube link. Make sure you click on it and go watch the entire training. It's a series that we've been having, so it will also guide you on how to choose this niche and what to do and how to create it. Okay, so we'll be going over to number 8. Now, number 8 is gaming. If you're someone that you are very good with game, you can do gameplay highlights. If you're somebody that you are very good with game, you can also do game walkthrough. You can walk people through games. You can tell them, oh, I've seen this game. Have you seen this game? You can talk about the game. You can even show them how to play the game. All right. Then you can do gaming related content. You know, when you see some people on TikTok, you see them, they come live, either they throw bottles or they pick things, or you can see it is lots and lots of it on TikTok. And a lot of you didn't know that they were making so much money. Oh yes, a lot of platforms allow that as well. So it's a very high niche. Okay, so go learn how to do gaming if you don't know. Be creative, choose an amazing game and start gaming and change your story on TikTok. All right. Number 9 is my favorite, and it's what I am doing. Education and learning. Ooh, oh yes, I love this niche so much because this is also my niche. All right, so providing educational content, all right, tutorials to tutor people, okay, and quick facts on various subjects. I tell you the truth, you see this is amazing. So if you're an educationist, even if you're not an educationist, and you have trained yourself so much that you're knowledgeable and you can teach people, then this is for you. Start learning and make sure you learn, because if you don't learn, you're not allowed to teach others. Okay, so go learn and then come teach others. All right, and I tell you the truth, when you start tutoring people, there's one thing that will happen. Even you will keep knowing, and then it will open you for more to know. Very important. All right, so education and learning is one of for me one of the best niche on TikTok. So go learn it, train yourself, and become a master in it. Then Number 10 is pets and animals. Oh my God. Did you believe that pets and animals are a very good niche? Oh yes. On TikTok, Pets and animals are a very, very good niche. Like funny pets video. You can start looking for funny pets video, or if you have a pet, you start using your pet, all right, to show how funny your pet is. I think I'm gonna start that. Oh yes, I think I'm gonna start that, because we have a pet that is, my God, for me, I call our pet a human being. I think I'm gonna start I'll just create a channel for him on TikTok and start posting videos about our pet. So go do the same. If you have a pet, start using your pet. Bring your pet. If you know you have that's an intelligent pet. Some pets are like human being, I tell you the truth. You start using your pet, bringing your pet out, and before you know, that pets will start making so much money for you. Okay, you can also show training tips on how you train your pet. Very, very important. And animal related content. So these are things you can do with pets and with animals. And I tell you the truth, if you can follow this number 1 to 10 step by step, choose the best and start using it to create content on your TikTok, you will so grow that even you will not believe it. All right, so it is essential to choose a niche that align with your interest. If you know you are not having an interest in it, please don't do it because others are doing it. All right, and also what you have an expertise, because some people just see people doing things and they rush and they start doing the same thing. It is a no. It will make you make mistake. It will make you tell lies. It will make you say things you're not even sure of. And people that know more than you, when they see you doing it, they're like, she didn't do it well. He didn't do it well. Okay, so make sure it's something you're knowledgeable about. All right, and you love doing. You must love doing it. If you don't love doing it, you'll be weary. You get tired. Okay, so this is the 10 amazing niches I want to bring to us, for us to know that you are not just on TikTok, but on the same TikTok you can make so much money. So what do? Check from number 1 to 10. Pick the one that works for you. Pick the one that is best for you. Pick the one that you can say, this is for me, and start using it to change your story on TikTok. This video, I'm going to make it available on TikTok, so you can later go and watch it on my TikTok, and also you can watch it on my YouTube to change that story for yourself. Okay, so this is what I have for us today. I just want to share this with us for a lot of people to know. Stop wasting your time on TikTok and start becoming productive. You can be on TikTok from morning till night. If you're not productive, you're not making money. All right, when you become productive, you start making money. All right, so thank you everyone. I'm Alpella, and this is UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Thank you Instagram, thank you TikTok, thank you YouTube, thank you Facebook, and see you next time in my life. Bye bye everyone. Bye.